At Sports Town, the Sunshine Girls were leading England Roses 35-32 in the third quarter action, or in early third quarter action, in the final game of the Vitality Horizon series. The girls have it all to play for after their series leveler on Monday evening. The girls snatched a 50-49 victory to send the series into this evening's decider, following the first game's 49-all result, and England winning the second 55-47. Garfield Jones was at the National Indoor Sports Centre and found this report on Monday.
It was pulsating action from the first whistle as the Sunshine Girls eked out a narrow 50-49 win over the England Roses in front of a jam-packed National Indoor Sports Centre. The team asked for the supporters to come out, and they did so in their numbers. And they were not disappointed. It was a 12-10 first quarter lead for the Jamaicans before closing out the first half 26-23. Both teams traded goals in the third quarter, but the Jamaicans held their composure to finish just ahead 38-35. The fourth quarter was the closest of the game as the England team applied the pressure in an attempt to snatch victory and seal the series. However, with the scores level at 49 with seconds ticking away on the clock, goal attack Shanice Beckford scored the game's winning goal to send the thousands of supporters in wild celebration. Beckford explained the strategy behind the play that won the game.
No, it wasn't. It was just about the smarts of the game, being aware and knowing how much time and knowing the opponent that we're playing as well. Because if I had shoot it earlier, England could have gone down and get a centre pass and shoot. So it was just all about smarts of the game.
First Vice President of Netball Jamaica, Simone Forbes, was thrilled with the support for the team.
Nerve-wracking, but it was exciting, and it was so good to see just Jamaicans coming out and supporting the girls, and the electrifying arena and the noise and the pot covers and the girls just wallowing in it, and it just helped them across the line. It was nerve-wracking towards the end, but it just shows that they're in the series and they're a much better team, I believe, in my opinion, than England. But it's a ding-dong. England is number 2 in the world. You can't take anything from them, and you can't just believe they're going to hand it to you.
While some of the English players were experiencing the Jamaican crowd support for the first time, head coach Jess Thirlby said the atmosphere was what she thought it would have been.
I was expecting it. I've had the privilege of being here before as a coach and a player. Look, I love it. I think it's everything you want a crowd to do. It's loud, they get behind their home team, and in essence, we have to use that to galvanise us as well. So we're not fearful of that. We embrace it, and good on this crowd for getting behind the Sunshine Girls.
Captain and goalkeeper Shamira Sterling Humphrey was named Player of the Match. Garfield Jones, TVJ Sports.